Happy New Year and welcome to the first 60-second update of 2024 from the Royal Air Force from RAF Wittering. RAF aircraft are flying to exercise Red Flag, a major exercise that will test the RAF in complex combat air operations. Red Flag is the largest and most complex air warfare exercise in the world, designed to develop capabilities in a highly pressured and realistic combat environment. Red Flag will test our people and equipment to the limit, so they're always ready to fly and fight. An RAF C-17 Globemaster transported a Royal Navy Merlin MK4 helicopter and some of its crew back from the Middle East to the UK just in time for Christmas. Working with our other services strengthens the RAF's ability to deliver global security and protect the UK. In late 2023, RAF caterers tasted victory after 2 days of fierce competition with the Royal Navy and British Army to secure the Inter-Services Culinary Arts overall winners title at the Exercise Joint Caterer. Good, nutritional food really makes a difference for our personnel, and we're excited to be playing a part in the new defence catering strategy in 2024 to improve our catering offer. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.